A multi-purpose stainless steel knife that's compact yet super sharp. It can cut paper, cardboard, plastic tubes, wires, even wood. It cuts through everything with ease. And that's not all. It can also open bottle caps and tighten screws. Comfortable to hold with a safety lock for extra protection. The blade is easily replaceable. Use it over and over without worrying about it getting dull. Buy one knife and get a free set of 10 replacement blades. Now on a 50% discount, only 350 pesos. Hurry up before it's sold out.
Matibay at matatag, napakaganda gamitin.